We are delighted to acknowledge our distinguished guests and partners who are joining us today. From the Department of Tourism, Secretary Cristina Garcia Castro, Undersecretary Eureka Abuelo, Undersecretary Verna Buel Suceso, Undersecretary Ferdinand Humao, Assistant Secretary Zarina Sara Loyola, Assistant Secretary Charlene Zamala Mati, Assistant Secretary Ronald Onopi, Director Arlene A. Alipio, Regional Director Region 4A Marites Castro, Director Alvin Alisi, Professor Francis Portland. We would also like to acknowledge the Governor of Laguna, Governor Sol Alvarez. I think you know Mayor Arlene Garcias, Vice Mayor Arnold Garcias, and of course Ms. Sophie Garcias. Now our foreign guests who have come here to grace this special occasion. From Zamperla, represented by the CEO, Sir Antonio Zamperla. Then we have Mr. Paco Makoto Nakagawasan, Senior Advisor, former Senior of Sensing Technologies of Japan. Then we have Sir Andrew Lee, former VP for APA, and Ambassador and Global Ambassador, GTI President Expert. And then of course we have Mr. Jack Chan, Executive Director and VP of Yamaha Asia Pacific. Former VP of Asia Pacific, Andrew Seo Chung Lee. VP Commonwealth Indonesia founder, Mr. Rahmat Sekulono. Dr. Richard Ong from Genting, Malaysia. Mr. Bill Ireton, Independent Director for Foreign. Mr. Eric O'Rourke, Senior Director for Foreign. Mr. Thomas Summer Wilson, CEO and founder of Venture Lab. Mr. Alex Wong, Sales Representative for Vicoma. Mr. Joseph Sloso, Director for ETF Ride Systems. Mr. Carlo Ortiz, President of Phoenix Philippines Incorporated. Mr. Mike Fu, SVP for CMEX Iworks Entertainment. Ms. Karen Staley, VP of Sales for Sound Art Rights. And of course, Sir Gregory Arnie, Managing Director of Artist Studio. Now for everyone here, we graciously thank you for your time and effort in accepting our invitation
partners in the amusement and attractions industry, especially those specifically including participant, friends, family, ladies and gentlemen, mabuhay, and enchanting and memorable day to us all. Firstly, we at the Enchanted Kingdom would like to express our profound gratitude and thanks to the Honorable Secretary for finding time to grace this occasion and be with us as we mark the 30th anniversary of Enchanted Kingdom and the rededication of our Avila to experience Sari Puna. I would also like to express the same to all of you who are here with us today and this weekend. As Enchanted Kingdom celebrates 30 years, we remain steadfast in our vision and mission to provide Filipinos with world-class, wholesome family leisure and entertainment. Initially providing enchanting experiences that were more of an escape from reality, EK also started evolving into a venue where we can celebrate Filipino pride and culture with the original opening of Avila the Experience. What began 10 years ago as a celebration of our nation's natural beauty and an effort to raise awareness of the life of the endangered Philippine eagle, our national bird, has now evolved into a more powerful call to action, championing the appreciation, protection, and conservation of the Philippines' rich biodiversity. As the Department of Tourism continues to champion its Love of the Philippines campaign, we are very committed to wholeheartedly support this campaign, anchored on the pillars of biodiversity, natural beauty, cultural festivities, and gastronomy. And Avila the Experience Sari Puna is just our opening salvo. With the assistance of the TIEZA and DOT, we are currently planning for the expansion of the very ground that we are in into a cultural village that will showcase further the different pillars of the Love of Philippines campaign. School lang yun. That's it. Thank you very much.